Today I'm at an old railroad bed, old railroad track right there, and this is like a little lot of woods that it's kind of surrounded by road, but it's very old, and since it's in Elverson, it's there are houses from the 1700s here, and there are old tree stands everywhere. So I'm hoping to get some coins that have been dropped from the tree stands, or try to find some foundations or something good. There's an old dump back there, and the railroad trail came right along there and all the way down past that building, all the way over to I don't know, Philadelphia or something. It's a very long railroad. But anyway, wish me luck, and I'll get you at first sign of the bat. I get this slamming signal. I hope you can hear this. It's like 84 to 91. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a live dig on this. So this is 2 inches, which is doubtful. I feel like it's trash, but just in case. Oh, I heard it. Is this like an old brick, maybe? Get my pinpointer. Fail. Huh. Oh, there it was. Probably a can. Oh, there it is. Oh, dude! Look at that. Look at that lock. Oh, that is awesome. Literally 1 minute, no, like 30 seconds after I got here. Look, there's where I started, right there. First hit, first dig, live dig. Awesome lock. Cannot believe that. I am so happy. There we go. I'm on the board. This is the second lock of 2015. Man, I am so happy. Alright, well, that must mean I'm in a good spot, because, or this flew off of a train or something, but that is sweet. Alright, well, I'll keep going and I'll get you at the next hit. Second find, well, like, fourth find, but second keeper find, relatively keeper. It's like a keychain. Showed up pretty high. I found this like old toothpaste thing right next to it, so I wasn't gonna dig it because I thought this was just gonna be junk too. But it sounded really nice, so I dug it anyway. So there you go. And I'll get you at the next good find.